2026 actually marks something very important, that is the 10th year of India-Vietnam Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. And honestly, this has become something more important than most of us realize. Just look at this. India-Vietnam trade is now at 16 billion US dollars and is growing 10% year on year. And it is not stopping there. Both countries have a target to make it as 25 billion US dollars by 2030. India's export to Vietnam has now reached 6.11 billion US dollars and has become increasingly diversified, ranging from automobile parts, engineering goods, agriculture, chemicals, and marine products. Vietnam, on the other hand, exports around 10.35 billion US dollars to India, and the exports includes electronics, machinery, chemicals, plastics, rubber, coffee, tea, spices, garments, and footwear. And this kind of growth happens automatically? Definitely not. It is being actively pushed by regular business delegations, exhibitions, industry interactions between both the countries. And even at the government level, there are joint working groups focusing on agriculture, information and technology, and healthcare. Beyond government and trade agreement levels, there is also a real people to people interaction. For instance, if you see, there are 8,000 Indian nationals residing in Vietnam. So, if you see, this relationship is built not only at the diplomatic level but through businesses, professionals, students, and everyday cultural exchanges. And what's interesting to note here is the relationship is moving much beyond the trade numbers. For example, agriculture market access is opening on both the sides. Indian pomegranates and grapes is coming into Vietnam, while Vietnamese pomelo and durian is going to India. And they are also talking about upgrading ASEAN-India Trade and Goods Agreement, QR-based payments, and increasing the direct flights between both the countries, which directly promotes tourism, hospitality, and hotel industries. And now, the cooperation is much beyond the traditional trade sectors. They are even discussing cooperation in pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and even nuclear energy. Vietnam has also welcomed India's participation in areas like supply of cobalt 60 and nuclear energy development. But what I found particularly interesting is the education and healthcare side of this relationship. India is sending its experts to Vietnam to build Ayurveda based academic programs to Vietnamese students and doctors. So, when you step back, India and Vietnam are not just trading partners. They are building a strong corridor for Asia's future with a clear target of 25 billion US dollars by 2030.